This is loud. This music's loud. Let me turn it down. That's a little better. Oh, what's up, Donker? How are you? It's been so long. How do I do this? How do I mod? It's all so new. My mic's super quiet. Okay. Is that better? If I turn down the desktop? It's not. What about now? Is that doing anything? Oh, is it better now? Okay. I have like double audio. Okay, sweet. So I was looking at lawn today and I was like, oh, this seems kind of cool. I haven't done Celeste modding in like years, and I thought it would be cool to try and revive the Gate to the Stars project. And I realized that like I don't have any of the original helper that I wrote for it. I don't have. I like must have deleted like everything. So I'm like, I'm gonna build a new helper, but I'm on a Mac. I used to be on a Windows PC, Microsoft, and so this has been an interesting experience. We've also moved from apparently .NET 4.5.2 to .NET 0.7 or 7 or whatever, which I think is good because I can actually run it on my Mac, and I can build the project using the command line, which is great. Now what I'm trying to do, actually wait, let's see if I can .NET build. Okay, so yeah, I can build a DLL, which is awesome. What I actually want to do, I'm trying to build a lawn integration. So to do that, I think I have to actually add the DLL here to the Gates of the Stars code file. And then I have to reload lawn. And I also have to learn how to use lawn. Like, how do I delete this? Okay, that's not deleting, that's doing the opposite. I need to pull up the lawn wiki. Actually, let me do this. And then we'll go, let's see, lawn. Dark mode is better. Spring, summer, winter, Gate to the Stars. Yeah, I'm actually just yeah, Tonker, you beat me to it. I'm just remaking Glyph. All I know is seasons. How do I delete something? Delete. Alt plus delete is delete room. Delete is delete object. Okay, but what about delete selected objects? Well, I think the problem is that delete on my Mac keyboard is not in fact delete. Is Mac OS delete just backspace? You have to hold down the function key and okay. We're modding on hard mode. There we go. You gotta hold down function. Listen, I'm a real programmer, okay? I've never joked. I don't joke. I was also thinking I might play some mods too, because I haven't played Celeste. I was just playing on PS5. And I feel like the modding scene has is drastically evolved. So I want to I don't know. It would be cool to see if there's any maps. Have you heard of the music translation contest? What's that? I'm assuming it's like Fmod music stuff, which sounds really cool. Okay, wait, I need to reload. I guess people make maps based off their favorite songs. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so Lunars came out. Is that that's a Donker map, right? Yeah, Donker, I heard it's like a huge project. Congrats on finishing that. How hard is it? I would say that I'm a I'm like expert. Oh god. I don't think I can play expert. I could assist through it. Oh, you want awards for it? Yeah, I heard about the Celeste Community Awards. In fact, I heard that I was nominated, which I'm honored. You know, to be nominated. It seems. What a fucking treat. I was gonna do the hit me up like the night before hit me up the night before the awards and asked me to present, and unfortunately I wasn't able to. Oh, sweet, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, it was just too soon. The turnaround was too soon, and I had to go hang out with my folks. You announced the starter award? That's cool. I'll have to check it out. I know it's on YouTube somewhere. Okay, I need to learn. So what I'm really happy to hear is that we're no longer using Julia as the plugin language, because working with Julia was like really brutal. However, I need to like figure out if how this actually works. So I think I have the file structure correct. There's a lawn folder in Gate to the Stars. What song is this? I'll link it. This is Loan Sales. This whole album is actually like unbelievably good. So I built a new helper. But I should probably look at the original helper. I have this dash refill block. What's up, Theta? And I mean, I don't think I have to do anything. Like, I have the entity defined. It does say that it's like there's an item group. What's the name? You know, everyone's. It's. You're still alive? I'm glad to know that we're still alive. Your dad on Kahuna. Oh, is Dadbod? Is Dadbod is he still part of the modding community? Oh, still makes videos? God, it's been forever, yeah. It's been forever. It's been so long that I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I forgot how to play Celeste, and I forgot how to mod. Okay, so I have a CS project. There's this like CS project file, and there's an item group where it includes these entities, and I'm wondering. I know nothing about how this works, but can I just like include this just for fun? Does anyone know to program? Hey, what's up, Ethio? Presumably this should do something. You cannot find joy in Celeste. Why is that? Did you just like burn yourself out on it? Duplicate compile items were included. Oh, that's because okay, that's good. That means it's already being compiled. Streaming burned you out? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like streaming is some people have like the mind for it, or have the perseverance, I guess. I certainly don't. Way less time. For sure, yeah, that makes sense. For me, it's like I have a little bit of nervousness because like I'm like streaming I'm like streaming me failing for like multiple hours at a time. Oh, congrats on almost full-time game dev too. I feel like game dev too. Yeah, it's really hard to stream game dev because it's like it's just like a harder version of like streaming Celeste. Okay. I did a stream of Ludum Dare because I participated, and I got really stressed out because I was like, it was a lot to manage, like doing. It's pain. It's fun, but pain. Yeah. I guess the good thing is like streaming usually like brings out the talking, but then it also creates moments like this where I'm just staring at the screen and I'm like, I don't know what to do. My goal is to get the entity to appear. And it's not yet. So I'm gonna quit. So Gate to the Stars has an entity called dash refill block. What is the entity? Well, it's called a dash refill block, and it's pointing to Cedar helper dash refill block. And I just copy pasted like the dash block code for now. Truly, yeah, for sure. Wait, Theta, I'm tripping. Are you? Did I playtest your game? Or am I the time loop game? Or did I not? I'm thinking of someone else. I'm sorry. I might be. Okay. Sorry. I was about to... I need to hit that person up. Oh my gosh, I'm a bad person. Okay, so I have a dash refill block, and I'm just using this like fake tiles helper. I don't even know what that means. I made World Factory. Almost certain. Okay, sweet. Well, hey, if you ever need a playtester, feel free to hit me up. Who's the anonymous person that made Balatro? That's my question. I should really understand what I'm looking at by reading. Do I like roguelikes? You know, not normally. Although I did play Balatro because I wanted to check out the source code, because I use Love 2D, and it was like amazing to see a Love 2D game doing so well. So I just wanted to check it out, and it was amazing. Okay, wait. I need to go to Everest Celeste. There's a wiki. Balastro's Love 2D, yeah. Made by a solo anonymous dev who seems really amazing. I really like a lot of what they have to say. Lua makes me happy too. I mean, it's great to have like static typing and, you know, not as many nil errors, but it's such a wonderful scripting language for, and like it's just like you can work so quickly with Lua. Like when you have like a built out system, like an engine that sits on top of Love 2D, you can just work at like lightning speed, and it's so great. It's so easy to use. If you know all of your own code, if you've built everything, it's like, it's a joy. I would imagine for larger, more complicated games, it would probably not be the right choice, but if you're making like an indie game, like I bet like you could make Celeste with using like Lua or Love 2D, and you'd probably have success. Welcome to the Lawn Wiki. Okay, adding entities. Okay. Yeah, no developer friction for sure. You never get hung up on something you don't understand, for sure. I mean, there's only one data structure, So it's like amazing. You like learn what a table is, and then you're basically done. Unless you're trying to do coroutines, which in that case maybe it takes a little more effort, but okay, so this is telling me like making a teach series teaching Lua. Yeah, that'd be awesome. It's a great the C Lua interface. Yeah. Oh my gosh, is that like FFI or whatever? I had to I got Fmod working in Love 2D and I had to learn how to use that. That was painful. You can use LuaJit with... Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the entity. Dash refill block. Built-in Lua C support and it's bidirectional for sure. So this, I think this is correct. I haven't done C# in like 1200 years. And then presumably the name should match the custom entity ID. And then does lawn... It's easy to pull C methods into Lua. That's awesome. Should it be necessary? Okay, wait. Entities. Dash stamina, refill. Okay, it's not shown up. So I'm missing something like... really obvious. I have the DLL. I have lawn entities. Is there a way to check to see like if a library is like loading? Hello, Boss Sauce. It's been a minute. How are you doing? Oh, this song is... Super difficult to base C instead of .NET. There's some advanced search options. Oh, my helper's in here. At mod name searches for entities from that helper. Does back in the Ahorn days, we had to like write the helper, but I think that's just auto appended now. You just jump scare. I made Shroom Helper? I did make Shroom Helper, but I made it using... because I used to, for my mods, I'd make my own, like, really shitty, like, CS projects, and then generally I, like, try and clean it up, but I don't maintain it anymore. It's maintained by the Celeste modding community. And then they made a lawn port for it. So I should actually, you know what? I'm gonna open up Shroom Helper. It's auto-appended? Okay, cool. So let's see what crumble block on touch looks like. Yolua? Yeah. They moved away from Ahorn. They moved away from Julia. Remember Julia? God, that was so horrible working with Julia. They could bring you back to... Lua just might be strong enough. Hey, what's up, Robin? Julia was horrible. And it was like there was no error handling, or it was like you just had to like you had to be like the most legit Julia programmer. So funny. Ahorn was I love Ahorn, for the record. I love what Ahorn was capable of, despite all of its pain. Thanks, Scribbles. Okay, I'm just gonna copy paste code right now. My guess is that Cedar Helper is like not doing what I expected to. Yeah, you don't have to figure out Julia. Yeah, Julia had its like own terminal too. The thing is, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this working on Mac. That's my big problem. Cedar Helper. This is a dash refill block. And we'll just call it dash refill block. We'll just assume that these are all the Julia debug console that was built into Ahorn. Yeah, I guess that was kind of neat. I remember it let you reload your... Yeah, you could like run scripts and reload stuff. That was pretty cool. Okay, so I got this, and let's go to Gate to the Stars. Okay, I'm spelling entities correctly. We'll just copy paste this here. I should probably just be modifying this file. I don't know why I'm... You can still run scripts in LON? Oh, it's okay, for sure. This is my first real time using LON. I used it briefly for the Boss Sauce. I like added music to one of Boss Sauce's maps. Scripts in LON are harder. Celeste ended us all. Okay, so dang it. Spotlight search doesn't work, but this does. Loaded map. You know, I still have not played Strawberry Jam, and I really, really should. Yeah, something is not working. Let's take a look at Shroom Helper. Oh, do I need a bin file? Oh, wait a minute. Oh. I need to update the YAML. to include the DLL. I'm assuming... Can you add multiple DLLs to an Everest YAML file? Haven't been involved in the modding scene. What's the issue? Is Lawn not recognizing? Yeah, and Lawn is not recognizing the plugin, and I imagine it's because I imagine it's because I'm not... Well, let me just try this real quick. Let's just... I don't know if Lawn actually reads from... reads from the Everest YAML file. Celeste campaign. It does read from it? Okay, I'm gonna... Let's just try that. And I'm sure there's a faster way to just like refresh. No. If your new helper is enabled, it should load by default. Is there like something that you have to do to enable a helper? It's a plugin issue instead of the loading issue. Lawn plugins are somewhat cursed. Lawn plugins are somewhat cursed. Is it an unpackaged DLL in your mod folder? It's an unpackaged DLL. It's in this directory, Gate to the Stars code, cedarhelper.dll. And I have a Everest YAML file that is currently pointing to it. Assuming I spelled everything correctly. Yep. And it's an issue with the plugin syntax. Is there any debugging? Let's rename this. I don't think this matters. This is just a variable. It's fake tiles. Good luck. Maybe I should just like... Maybe I should just do like the least... run.log in local app data? Okay. Oh wait, this is... Well, I'm on a Mac, but let's... Shoot, I don't even use frickin' iTerm anymore. Let's just open up. Again, it's all somewhat cursed. Okay. So now I gotta find out where Lawn is going, so we can go to library. I don't know if it's gonna be local app data. Is it gonna be local app data? Nope. Not sure for Mac. Okay, so we have... These are all my games. Well, let's do more reading. Okay, I totally have lost track of chat, but let's see. Plugin structure. Lawn is written using Lua, Love Engine. Consequently, all plugins are written in Lua. When developing plugins, it's a good idea to refer to the Lua reference manual. Lawn plugins are structured identically. Library application support. Yeah, that's what I was assuming. Let's see. Oh, it's because it has a freaking umlaut. It's it's spelled differently. It uses the umlaut. Is it gonna be in data? No. Oh, plugins? Frost Helfer. What? Oh, run.log. Duh. Ah, beautiful. Okay, these are none of my entities. What am I doing? Dude, this is so embarrassing. Oh, it's because I'm... Spike handle or communal? It's not even in here. Oh my god. So it's not even getting... The loading is the issue. Okay, well that's good. I mean, we figured out something. You know, it could be... I'm just looking at these entities. Okay. It's interesting because it's actually it's picking up on... It's possible that, you know, it is entirely possible that, like, I'm doing something really stupid with this, like, build process. Okay, let me think. Let me open up the original. So, effectively what I'm doing... If it's build, I think you're fine. Yeah, the build shouldn't matter, right? Like, theoretically, it's just Lon isn't actually reading from. It's possible that it's loading under the name Gauge of the Stars or Rosewood Helper instead of Cedar Helper. Okay. So the actual DLL like isn't necessarily a huge problem. This Rosewood Helper is Sprite Bank, load content. Yeah, none of this really matters. Before render, after render. Yeah. What's in the Gauge of the Stars YAML? We got this Gauge of the Stars. Maybe am I looking up the wrong thing? Oh. Mother. I hate everything. You consider the light YAML? Okay. What a disaster. This is why I don't stream anymore. Yeah. Okay, so let's... This is how it worked in Ahorn. Yeah, it is a little different. Okay, so yeah, I'll grant myself some forgiveness. How do I make it? Let's see. Dash refill block. So let me. This is great. I'm very happy. If not slightly ashamed. Oh, now it looks so wonderful. Okay, but now the question is, now the real question. So technically you want to do this in an ENGB language, like .lang file instead of the plugin itself. By setting the names like that is considered bad practice. Okay, well, this is never gonna see the public. If anything, I'm gonna like do this like little extra DLL and then send over like a CS file to a C# file to the community team. I should figure out though the Everest YAML thing, because right now I'm loading Cedar Helper, but I actually want to load 2 DLLs, and I'm not actually sure if that's possible. So let's find out. I have to do 2 DLLs because I'm a dummy. The Everest.yaml file, you should be able to. If you don't have a DLL, does he? Yeah, multiple DLLs should work out of the box. Oh my goodness, really? Okay, well, let's try it. Thank you so much for your help. I would be crying at this point. I can't wait for this not to work. Yeah. I don't know why the PBD file's there. I don't think that's necessary. Okay, so we've confirmed that... yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Theta. I started playing Civ 6 with my partner. It's like the new Celeste for me. Yeah, I'm gonna... Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see. Oh my god. Okay, wait. This is annoying. Oh, wait a minute. Do you hear that? Celeste is in the same key. Kind of. Maybe not quite. Yes! This is actually the best moment of my life. I'm very happy. All right. Okay, what's that mean? Why is there a... Okay, so it didn't load. That's fine. You know, maybe it's just let's try this. Let's try the comma separated values. Celeste Court says to reference GhostNet. Is that... Oh yeah. This is one of the all-time greats for sure, Theta. Well, let's try this. Fez recently for the first time. Congrats. Yeah, that game is great. You know, it's funny because, like, I was talking about this last time I streamed, I think. The platforming's just okay in that game. It's kind of buggy, but the atmosphere and, like, I think what they wanted to accomplish was, like, a game where you can just, like, sit and just experience what's going on. You know, I wonder if I actually saved. Oh, I should have checked. Well... Okay. Yeah, the puzzles. Oh my... The meta puzzles in that game are so fun. Still trying to solve the Black Monolith puzzle. I like... There's that... Remember that tome? I like translated the tome. I have everything written out. I feel like I hit a dead end with that puzzle. I was just like, I can't... I've tried everything. And I guess it makes sense, because, like, people have been trying to solve it for, like, 16 years. Oh, you know, interesting. Okay, this is good. I failed to load. I think that I think that there is a solution. I just think that it's probably really dumb. I mean, the way they talk about it implies that there is in fact a solution. Okay, well, let's try this. So we know that this broke, which is good. What the hell? Carrie, congrats on... yeah, I was just about to say congrats on SGDQ. I can't wait to watch it. This is very, very exciting. I'm to watch you suffer through the D-sides. It's gonna be so bad. No, it's gonna be great. Surely it can't be as bad as me trying to figure out how to mod again. Because I gotta say, it's pretty bad. Everest. Yes, I want to launch the game with custom arguments. Stop telling me. Stop asking me. What is happening? You figured it out? The year 2024 to these. The DLL thing is the... Yeah, go ahead. You can DM me, it's fine, for sure. Oh, sync? Yeah. Loading for you. No! Please see your log.txt. Okay, let's go look at that. Disaster Piece also made the music for It Follows. Yeah, you know, I just watched that actually for the first time. And it's funny. It's like it's not like you can tell when you, maybe if you're not looking for it you can't, but like it reeks of like Disaster Piece. Background type Rosewood Helper Winter Cold does not exist. Okay, that makes sense. Because the Rosewood Helper's not so yeah, that movie was great too. Unfortunately, I watched it when I was on Kauai in like a cabin in the woods. On paper, the story's terrible. Yeah, it's such a simple concept, but it's so good. Like, it seems silly. Okay, DLL short version. Oh, sweet. Oh. Okay, this is amazing. Gamation is saving my life right now, for the record. So we can have Rosewood Helper, and then we'll just call this Cedar Helper, because I'm a silly man. And then we'll define this as cedar helper. And then it will depend on Gate to the Stars version 2.0.8. Marcel the Shell with the shoes one. I have not seen that one. Cinematography. Okay, I'm very excited about this. One day we will mod. For real. Which is actually the scary part, because I don't even know if I know how to design Celeste gameplay anymore. Animal Well. I don't know if I'm familiar with Animal Well. Can't remember the last time you were excited for a game. Boss Sauce, tell a buff Zucchini that I say hi back. Oh, Animal Well. Is that the pixely game with like the incredible shaders? And I remember, I think I read like a... Yeah, okay, that game does look really cool. Solo Dev Custom Engine. Wow. Okay, so... I should look at the log to see if... Dependency... Cedar Helper, because I'm a silly man, loaded. Loading. Donkey's first published game for Big Mode. Is that the game company that Donkey started? Dependency of mod Cedar Helper, now satisfied. Yeah, so it looks like it is working. Something is working. Let's see, conflict. Okay, those aren't mine. No translation. Yeah, the entity is not showing up. So maybe that means we need to actually... Oh, wait. Maybe it's because I'm calling it not the right thing? No, that shouldn't matter. Try replacing it in lawn. Oh, wait. It's because I got rid of it. Oh. Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, because now it's called Cedar Helper because I'm a silly man. This is promising. Modding has never been so fun. Wait, selection, placement. Cedar Helper because I'm a silly man. Plus Gate to the Stars. What is this? Oh, look at it's there. And it works. I'm very happy. Do the crossmod stuff. Yeah, that is actually really cool. It's time to fail at making gameplay. Thank you so much. You have changed my life and everyone else's life here for the better. Thank you. Oh, and look it, now it's pink. What do block do? I actually forgot. I'm just kidding. It's like a dash refill thing, but like a dash block that gives you your dash back. Yeah, I don't know if that's been done before, but I made a bunch of levels for it because it seems like a cool mechanic. But I kind of want to revisit the layout of this. The only entity you ever made. Oh goodness, Theta of the. I'll give you credit. It does it on on contact. Oh, that's a cool idea too. You've never seen a level focus on it. Okay. Well, now that it's on stream, it can be a race. Okay, you delete stuff that way. So I do kind of want to I was thinking like okay, wait. How do I use this? Okay. It was cool to interested in the one that has a room mover tool. I am highly interested in that. One could say I'm deeply interested. Yeah, that's actually one of the first things I tried to do. I was like, how do I move this room? And it took... Okay, let me look it up. Let's see, what's the... Okay, so I'll just download it. There's also allows style ground preview in rooms. Well, Mark, that is an interesting comment. Oh, can you... These responses are like half my babies as a response? What? What is this website? This is wild. Oh, I can just go to Olympus to install this, can't I? What's this called? Another lawn plugin? Game Banana is such a weird website. Yeah, they don't. They've never updated. Burn top banana. Ooh, I like this one. Incorrect. How do I unlock it? Oh, come on. You can do better, Game Banana. Okay, so we got the plugin. One second. I gotta send a text. Okay. Maybe in the far future we'll get our own mod hosting site. That would be really cool. I feel like it seems like that's the direction Celeste is going, right? Obvious issues of funding, yeah, for sure. Web, and I imagine the amount of traffic that you're probably getting is going to require a bit of money. There's the mirror, yeah, okay. Okay, so let's open up lawn. Okay, so how do I move rooms? Wait, I can just read. I can just read the information. Should I post in Game Banana? Remover. Okay. Oh, what joy! What fun! Thank you. I think these rooms are actually kind of cool, but I do want to. I want to like rethink like what am I trying to do with this map. The joy of moving rooms. It truly, this is actually incredible. I'm used to using you know, this tool is like, man, this is like an amazing tool already. I understand that it's suited to Celeste, but like if there's any appetite for generalizing this like editor, I think people would be keen to use it. Like in terms of like 2D like map editors, it's like what is it? You have like tiled, and then you have Ogbo 3, and tiled is like, it's good, it's very powerful, but I find the UI to be very challenging. You can't see it going anywhere generally. Yeah, for sure. It would never be something that I ask for. What's up, cats? The devs are generally pretty loath to accept PRs. Is it Crewer and Vex? Because if it is, I'm like, yeah, I get it. Same team. I mean, they're very talented people. And I actually really like both of them a lot. But they are like such programmers. And I do programming for a living, and I feel wholly inadequate around whenever like I talk about programming with them. How do I duplicate? Let's see. Is it Command D? No. Oh, okay. The normal thing, copy paste, like a normal person would. Let's just check out this room and see what it's like. They do say that mood, but you know what? I'm fine with that because they're making a tool for free for a bunch of people, and they're doing a great service. So. This is not what you expected it to look like from the lawn preview. You know, I think I might change the backgrounds. I don't think the backgrounds are final. I'm debating whether to change it to like a more daytime thing. The evil pillars. Especially with this evil music. Fez dark mode. Let's see what this room is like. Gosh. That's annoying. The ending's kind of hard because I'm really bad at this game. This shows a trail of Madeline's movement through your room on your last attempt in the editor. What the heck? Oh, so you can get a like sense of like spatial stuff. All right, let's just download every plugin. What's that one called? I was thinking this would be like a setup stream. Lawn. It's called Lawn. Aurora. Hello, Nibbles. Yo, we're modding. We're learning how to mod again. It's been 84 years. Oh, I just typed in Nibbles. Oh, you have a map. Should I play it? How hard is this? Well, I'll download it. Because we're in the business of downloading. It's hard list. What does that mean? A little bit Grandmaster. Okay, I'm like a... I'm not a Grandmaster. It's easier. I'm not an expert either. I'm barely an advanced player, I think. I feel like the skill ceiling for Celeste has like risen a lot. Like Farewell's like intermediate now or something. I should play SJ. I really should. You know what? I will. I'll start streaming that. That'll be really fun, actually. Aurora. Is it... Wait, let me... What's it called? Aurora's lawn plugin. Oh, yeah. Okay, download. Okay, now I will save. Oh, well, overall. You know, it's funny because, like, I remember... I do, like, have a little bit of FOMO with SJ. I'm excited to experience it, though, because I have, like, been not playing Celeste. And I remember I was going to join, and then I felt, like, so burnt out on Celeste. After Spring Collab, I think I was like, I don't know if I can do this, and so I decided to not. If there's another collab, though, I would like to maybe join again. That would be really fun. SJ's a great way to get back into playing. Yeah, I would love to check out the beginner maps and stuff. And the music, too. Oh, it's Rob. Hello, Rob. I sense a bookcase. There's collabs all the time, none as big as SJ. I don't know if another... yeah, that would make... I would understand if a mega collab is... Yeah. I imagine everyone's probably, like, tired of massive collaborations. Dr. Theta Gadar champion. Guitar champion. Okay, let's check out this room. Good to imagine your voice. Theta, I do the same thing. Okay, so let's go over here. So this is it's an interesting mechanic. It's kind of cool. It's a little bit... Madeline gets a concussion. The end will just... yeah, we'll figure out how to tie that into the lore. Maybe, like, as you progress through the level, it gets increasingly, like, blurry. Okay, let's try this level. Throwing a tantrum. Okay, so let's delete these. These are rosewood helper. And then we will replace them with our dash refill block. Okay, I need to learn the shortcuts. What's the shortcut to go to selection? The view menu in lawn. Oh, look at there it is. If there's a shortcut, there should be a shortcut, right? Like, that would be an incredible keyboard shortcut. Going from rectangle to placement to selection. But you know what? Let's just, instead of doing that, let's just... Oh, look at that. This is kind of cool. I feel like this is probably more helpful. This is, I would want to, you know what I would want? I would want to see this for like every playtest. Kind of like Super Meat Boy. When you like beat a level, it shows you every single attempt at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna do copy paste. Okay, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. It tells you where throwables go. The Meat Boy effect would crash Celeste instantly. Maybe that's the intended user experience, Rob. A map so hard that it crashes your game. And also gives Madeline a concussion. Man, I'm in like Ogmo land right now. You're so nice. Give me that out. In the Grandmaster world. What's going on with this thing? Why is this like this? Why'd that happen? Oh, it's a move block. But why is it... Yeah, okay, that makes better sense. Place a really big move block and then a bunch of FG tiles. Hello, Zuli. Dude, hello. How are you doing? That's a really cool room. I like that room a lot. That was neat. It's going really well. I just learned how to, I just learned lawn thanks to, Gamation on Twitch and helping me, like, learn everything. And then we got set up with, like, we got set up with some, like, silhouettes. Look at that. So that's pretty cool. And I'm just looking through this map that I made like 2 years ago. And I'm considering possibly revisiting this and maybe making like a big old Gates of the Stars Chapter 3. Thanks, Sully. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I'm a little nervous, frankly. I haven't done this in so long. And I'm not... you know, I don't have, like... We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna try and have fun. We're so back. The music translation contest. Yeah, someone mentioned it earlier. And it's as far from what I remember, it is using or creating maps inspired by your favorite song. Fun is a good objective. I agree. Yeah. Are you participating, Zully? Fun is overrated. Theta, when I don't want to have fun, I work on making my own games. I'll have to check it out. I love the idea. I feel like the most nerve-wracking part of that would be like choosing a song, honestly. That's the easy part. That's a fun berry. Every time I choose a song, I struggle. What song would I choose? I keep thinking of like the Shrek soundtrack. For some reason that keeps coming. That's like the entirety of the Shrek soundtrack. Shrek is real. Apparently there's a Shrek rave happening in Honolulu tonight. My partner was telling me about that. And I'm having a lot of FOMO right now. Shrek 2 OST. It really is like there are some songs on there that are like ridiculous, but it's actually, maybe I'm exposing my my age, but I really do love the songs. Okay, that was a cool level. Let's try this one. Cliff, you can't call me that, snowboard. I'm gonna have to ban you now. Oh no. No, stop. Did I know that Glyph was nominated for Troll Map of the Year? Yeah, I did. And I gotta say, I'm actually really disappointed that I lost. I thought I was gonna win it this year. But I think next year, I think Glyph has a good shot of actually winning something. So I'm gonna keep making my case to the Academy. Okay, let's see if I know how to use... How do I erase tile? The best troll. It will win some year, okay? I'll be there. I'll be ready. Air? Oh, I wish there was a... Okay, I gotta look up more lawn shortcuts. I'm a big shortcut fan. Brushes. A subtractive tile mode, right? That's a feature that I've grown very used to with Ogmo, where I can hold a. It's actually right click in Ogmo, and it makes making tiles. Can you middle click on air? Then erase? Wait. Robbing Celeste maps in Ableton. They should make an Ableton lawn plugin. Just destroy any notion of reality. I want my Fmod in my lawn. Speaking of things crashing, right? Okay, so we gotta do that. So one of the things I'm doing right now is this entity I made in like 2021, and then before I was like I don't want to mod anymore. But now it's part of a different DLL that I don't have access to, so I made a new DLL. And now I'm just replacing all the old ones with the new ones. And I should just go do that across everything. Music create on OS. They should have like a lawn tax filing system. Like report get your taxes audited. An IRS gateway on spreadsheets. Okay. Delete. I swear I'm gonna get better at this over time. Delete. Delete. Appreciate it gets people into coding though. Scratch adjacent cuts. What? I don't know what Scratch is. All I know is JavaScript. Sorry. Sorry to everyone. It's like Lego coding. Okay. I mean, honestly, that's probably where programming's headed anyway, right? We're all going to become just Lego, glorified Lego coders. All I know is Fortran. If it's not COBOL, it's not worth learning. Okay. Delete. Wait, that's... Why did the emoji thing just pop up? Just make sure it's Fortran. That is cruel. I want to learn Lego cutscene programming. Honestly, if I could make cutscenes with Legos, I might be tempted to add some dialogue to these maps. Lua and Lon. This is, I gotta say, this experience, like, despite, you know, the learning curve, Lon it's pretty great. This is really cool. Oh, I just broke it. Oh, they're on Love 2D 11.3. Maybe I should report this. Upgrade to 11.5. 11.5 fixes the there's like a really bad bug with Love 2D. I think it was the legit version that the pairs iterator would sometimes like skip entries. And I swear to God that like a few of the games I was working on suffered from occasional issues where things would just like get lost. Yeah, that was a real thing. It was a small update, but how's that even possible? I don't know. I'm not good enough at programming to know why. I just accept these things. Okay, we're in the moment of the Celeste, or not the, where am I? The Fez soundtrack, which is Quiet Reflection. But I don't want to quietly reflect, so we'll go to More Disaster Piece / Ian Snyder. How's that even? Well, here, let me. Love update. Here's a link to the forums. Where am I? Ooh, OST rec. Do tell. And I'll add it to my repetitive video game playlist. Oh, Tunic OST is really good. I was listening to that during LD Jam 55. And I was like, this is such a banger. That game too is so good. I gotta play that game. I was loving it, and then I like forgot that I was like a human for like a month or something. Cloud Gardens. Sweet, thanks, Rob. Wait, let me just... Original game soundtrack. Add to VG Def Music. Great. Okay, let's see where we are. This is weird. That's cool. I kind of want to make this map a little more open. I feel like the Eastward OST. No, I haven't. Should I add that as well? I'll just add it. I do love me some chill game soundtracks. Okay, I'm pretty sure this level is supposed to go this way. Jeez. Yeah, I gotta say, I think the aesthetic needs a little bit more work, for sure here, but... I will say, this mechanic is really fun, though. Close issues for... Yeah, there was a bug for... Yep. Definitely check that out. I think it's a rare issue, but when it happens, it's like... obviously not good. Like, I think this map might be... This map might be better if it felt a little more open. Probably, like, something like Nameless Pillars. But maybe... Okay. Are there any other entities? The fucking what? Is that your sleep paralysis demon? What's this? I should try this level too. Let's try this one. Delete. Okay. AKA superorganism. He's an amalgamation of many people. I don't know, is that the person who made Lua or something? Oh, LuaJet, a JIT compiler for Lua. Oh, he made LuaJet. Super genius. I wish I was a super genius. Okay, so we got... the bait, yeah. It's like a fretless... It sounds like a fretless... Or it's like a... like a fretless bass or like a double bass. Like playing really, really high. Or something totally different. I'm confused about this room. Is this a move block? I think this is supposed to be a move block. Placement. Selection. You You can double click to cycle through layered entities in lawn. You don't have to place one slightly offset so you can select. Oh, okay, that's good to know. So if I have like, oh, look at that quality of life. I could do this forever. I'm just gonna be clicking for the rest of the stream. The joy of selecting underneath. That sounds like a weird, like, self-help novel that I would be inclined to read. Okay, let's just check it out. You gotta go write a book. I mean, in theory, that's a cool idea. But I don't think that actually makes any sense. What's up, Vex? my shit might be hated. How did you know about this? Was it like, did you sense it in the air? Okay, so let's not do a move block. Vex, by the way, lawn is great. It's my first time using it, really. Okay, there we go. Surely this will work, right? The windowing system from scratch, because Love doesn't have one. It doesn't, yeah. Vex, did you look at the source code of Balatro? By any chance? It's a love, yeah, it's a love game. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Yeah, the crack game. I mean, it's an incredible game. And honestly, it goes to show, if you're a solo dev and you're making a game, it's like, who cares about, if your game runs and it's not slow, then like, fuck it, you know? I love his ethos, or their ethos, excuse me, I don't know, they're anonymous. Their ethos around, development. I find it very inspiring. Sort of like, in game dev, it's like really hard to, like, code just gets messy. It's just like how it goes. Unless you're a super genius, which most of us aren't. You want to make a cribbage version? Oh no. Okay, so this room is a little bit cursed. You developed on with it. That's cool. I mean, yeah, I'm not saying you would otherwise. I'm just game dev and like application dev too are, I feel like, different path, like slightly different experiences. And also you're like developing for like long-term support. Yeah, and like kind of a longer vision. Whereas like I think Balatro, the developer said that they had a specific goal, and they did exactly what they needed to accomplish that specific goal, which I do appreciate. Okay, this room is not good, so let's put it over here. Let's try this room. Yeah, work on games real quick. Exactly, yeah. I do web development, and it's so much easier. Like, game dev is just like, there's just so much that you have to go to. There's like 26,000 things you're thinking about at the same time. What's this? The code you write in LON is way higher quality than anything you do at work. That's a cool room. I like this room. I'm getting this feeling of this map kind of like almost like working kind of like Nameless Pillars with like open open air, but almost like orienting towards like a downward slope. And maybe like opening up the ceilings, because this is kind of weird. Whoa. Isa, it's been 84,000 years. I hope you're well. Are you still modding? It's good to see you too, yeah. Have you been, I feel like, I sometimes check the Celeste cord, and I don't usually, there's not a lot of people I see. All your efforts are gone to game dev. I mean, that's a wonderful effort. You're working on the isometric game. Are you using mono for the, or what's it called? Mono game? Is that what it's? Mono game, yeah. Cool. Very cool. How's the game dev treating you? I love to see game devs here. One day we'll all make a Balatro. You got a demo? Oh, sweet. Congrats. That's impressive. Just waiting for music for sure. Well, I'm excited to see the trailer. You'll make one tomorrow. So will I. And it's gonna be this Celeste mod. This is gonna be the Balatro of Celeste mods. I like this first room. Maybe we don't have to start it. Wait, bucket. Wait. Foreground tiles. Air. Oh wait, no, I don't want a bucket. I want a rectangle. Okay, am I dumb? Oh, I had to click a bunch. Okay, there we go. Every time the game, yeah, it's a gamble. The game is a gamble for your keyboard. It is truly like it's so impressively designed. Or extremely. Is Balatro banned in certain countries for like simulating? I mean, it's not. Is it really simulating? I mean, I guess you're playing poker, so I guess that's sort of. But it's also like, it's not really using real money, and it's yeah. It's like, yes is the answer. It's labeled as such in some countries. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I mean, I could see if there was like loot boxes and like if it wasn't a one-time purchase game, I could understand that. But there are games that are super addictive. I guess maybe the theme of gambling is like people take issue with, which I suppose there's an argument for. I know Australia is like a little bit weird about video games, right? If you could spend real money, it would fall under actual gambling laws rather than addiction prevention laws. Snow. Yes, the snow level. So, are there child addiction video game laws? Like if I'm addicted to like Minecraft, can they like ban Minecraft? Thoughts on ice physics? Oh, that's a good idea. Not in the US, yeah. I don't think I've ever made a snow level. So, you know, let's try it. I kind of want to, I'm thinking about making it, potentially day out though, or like a lighter, if you get addicted to Minecraft. Let's see, what's a better video game than Minecraft? Oh, I've been playing Civ 6 lately, Civilization 6. Now that game is like experiencing a whole new life. The Witness. I unfortunately spoiled myself on that game. I will admit, I do love watching Jonathan Blow videos. Just because he's like so unhinged in like what he says. He's like the grumpiest person ever. But I will say I respect his absurdity. Kind of love hearing, yeah. Well, he also says stuff in like the most inflammatory way sometimes, where it's just like, I understand what you're trying to say, but like, you're not gonna like win anyone over. Bissy wants me to play Mafia. I can't. I don't. I know I'm in the Discord, and I did say I would look at it, but I don't know. I respect that a lot. Just triggering Jonathan Blow during his streams. This world is it's too easy. Okay, I should probably use rectangles. Let's like make this room bigger. Oh, what's up, Cone? I feel like I've seen you in Rob's streams. But I also the Aussie invasion. I hope you're well. Just sprained. He's saying all these profound and absurd inflammatory things. Yeah. It's, if anything, it is really fun. It's great entertainment. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna play better without ceilings. Oh shoot, you two work together. From Robville. Oh, that's awesome. Was it like a remote working stuff, or are you two close by? Local orbit. I see. Oh, it's Blarium. I didn't expect this either, frankly. I didn't expect to be here. Okay, how do you make a new room, actually? Oh yeah, the button that says room. Edit. I'm gonna say this is old 00. If I press on this X icon, will it not update? Edit. Hey, thank you again, Gamma, for all of your help. I don't think we'd be here without you, so hopefully see you around. And by I don't think we'd be here, I mean the stream would have ended in tears and suffering, which might have been more entertaining. So maybe we can still find a way to get there. Yeah, just wait. Anything is possible. You just, if you're willing to believe. 104. Okay, I like this. Underwater. Wait, let's see. Actually, wait, I'll finish. Gaslight Marshall. I don't think I have this. I'm not good enough at programming to to suffer from the same gaslighting techniques. You can gaslight people by telling them about lawn features. Is this gonna turn into a harassment campaign? Look at this room. Why is it A075? What the? Old 08. Edit. Old 09. Edit. Old 10. Did you know you can double middle click to reset zoom level? I can, but my mouse is like bizarre. I'll try to practice. I gaslit myself. Regardless, yeah, the Witness, I mean, I did play some of the Witness. And, Vex is gonna gaslight me into thinking I'm a terrible lawn user. But, I mean, that wouldn't be gaslighting, though, because it's true. So... Okay, let's add a room. Create. And then room mover. Isa, you asked, I think you asked about what how's lawn, and it's great. Oh. I think it's quite good. I'm just learning. This is like my first day ever using it, so I'm learning. Clicking on the rooms on the left also resets the resume, right? Or is it just location? Clicking on the rooms on the left. Oh yeah, it centers it. Oh, that's cool. Neat. Foreground tile, SQ grass. I don't know what SQ means. That was me though. I named that. If you want to use Ahorn. I will say I do appreciate, we were talking about this earlier, but no more Julia. Lua. Lua all the way. Maybe it would be cool to lose a nicer script excluding the fact arrays start at 1. Yeah, the 1 indexing is always like kind of confusing. I don't know what that means. I'm a huge, so I write all of my game coding these days is in Love. So I'm a huge Lua believer. I don't need any static typing. I just need tables. Give me tables. And I'll be happy for the rest of my life. Okay, so I want to do this room. Maybe it would actually be wiser for me to Vex, you should link the Julia Con 2021 if you're so inclined. I'm so easily gaslit. So if we take old, let's get rid of this. Confirm. Lana's been in dev since 2019. That's a good run. Bucket, air. Air? Oh, shoot, bucket. Bucket is not rectangle. Mentions by Ahorn sucks. You already know why. Hey, I liked Ahorn, okay? I was an Ahorn believer. It did everything I needed. Selection. Why are all of the spikes like weird? What's this? What is this? What's going on? Air is great until I have time to run errands. Waiting for it to start. Listen, that's the time that you use to quietly reflect on your place in life and you know, there's joy in that. I think people should have to wait more for their apps to work. Meditation while I went. I should have started like a paid meditation service for Ahorn users. Profit off of the open source free nature of Julia. Should you really make this map idea? That'd be funny if like there's just a lot of passive aggressive suggestions. Like, is this really worth your time? So maybe we can get rid of the bottom here. And do something like that. Do you really want to... You know, honestly, like, I think I would appreciate applications more that held me to task like that. Save dialogue. Are you sure you want to write dialogue? Every time the bird pecking animation played, loading paused. Wow. Oh no. Thank goodness. Thank you, Vex, for adding an undo feature. We're going for layered snow. Oh, maybe we should do, where'd my... Oh, shoot. Wait a minute. Old 01. What if we rename this to A01? Save? Oh no. We're back. Generative fill for lawn. When do we get the feature that makes the map for me? Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one too, actually. I think I realized that I'm gonna need that in order to finish this. What's SQ Cliff Blue? That's not blue at all. This is a lie. I'm being gaslit. So I like, okay, I'm realizing, I think I'm realizing that I like this room too. I just want to get rid of, wait, no, maybe, yeah, that's a real thing, Isa. I wonder how much this I'm going to be able to squeeze out of this mechanic, this like dashing mechanic. And I know I'm going to need to add another thing. Usually, I think the Gate to the Stars maps usually like work with like 2 different mechanics. The first chapter was like clouds and those like move blocks. The second one was bumpers and wind. And this one is going to be these dash refill blocks and then like something else, presumably. Let's see if we can tweak this. FU, how was it? How was the video? Oh my gosh. Foreground. No. I played you all. You would, Vex. The reverse gaslight. This is getting too... we've gone too far. Hey Neon, wonderful seeing you too. Good night. I'm probably gonna stop soon too. It's been 2 hours and 30 minutes, but I think I'm gonna keep working on this now that we have everything set up. So that's my plan. I highly recommend reading through all the keybinds. Yeah, I have them here. I just I got a little carried away with making stuff. But I'm gonna peruse these and study them like a good lawn user should. A pious individual of lawn. A follower of lawn. The only thing that kind of bums me out about these things is the I have to add spikes everywhere. But I guess that's fine. It's not a big deal. Double dash too strong. Spikes everywhere plugin. Honestly, yes, please. Yeah, like, I'm sure there's a way to get up here. Yeah, let's just... Wow. Nice room. Maybe we could do this. Why, like... Brush, bucket, air. No, don't use bucket. Never ever use bucket. Selection. I don't know why there's two different colors for the things. Retry. I'm gonna cheese my own room. Okay, I don't think that's possible. Well, it probably is with some serious bullshit. The cheese has been destroyed. No! This berry's challenging. For me. Oh no. Don't use bucket. I like that SQ grass is just snow. You can see the path happening. Yeah, it's great. Okay, there we go. That's cool. I wonder if this is going to be easier or harder than the second chapter. Oh, let's rename this to A02. Go find snack. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's midnight over here where I'm at. I should probably go find bed. This room is really cool, but it's pretty... What do I want the player? So, like, we start with, like, the basic introduction of the concept. And we tell you to do it 3 times. And then we kind of introduce the upward version. Man, I don't think we even need... I don't think we need this first one, actually. I don't think that's required. It's just kind of like a filler. Yeah, that feels a little better, I think. I need to learn how to play this game. We could do like a... The challenge with this mechanic is it doesn't really work. I need to figure out a way to force dashing down. Add. Create room. Room mover. Dream spikes? Oh, are those the things that, like, if you... They're like the dream blocks, but you have to dash into them in order to, like, you can't, like, grab them. Oh no. I'm in... Wait, what just happened? Okay, there we go. There's spikes, but yes. Okay. You gotta dash to pass through. It would be cool to, like, require the downward dashing. I could see it like as like a race against time again for something. My spinners are now visually good. Were they not in Ahorn? Were they off? I guess that's why the spinners in Glyph are so fucked up. Actually, it's not Ahorn's fault. That was my fault. But it's because I didn't know what I was doing. I wanna promote the upward dash thing. If the spinners look bad, that just means you dirt. Yeah, Vex. I placed every spinner off grid, and I did it to make a statement. The statement was that I didn't understand how spinners were supposed to be used. You've never placed an on-grid spinner. That's because you're one of the enlightened ones. Never placed a spinner in my life. This could be a fun one. Just me holding Alt. Oh, this is the song that always causes me issues. Fake mapper revealed. Listen, at this point, I'm a fake mapper too. Name every launch shortcut. No, name every Ahorn shortcut, okay? I only play Polygon Dreams. I actually really do like that map. Name every entity. You got so much hate. That's unfair. Actually, air. Vex, did you never make a map? Oh, Kruger made a map, I thought. Matthew, which maps did you make? You're not the same person. You could have fooled me. It could be fun to... As your... for music translation. Oh, sick. I'll have to check that out. Fish racing. Wait, why is this happening to me? What's going on? I should save it. Something bad's happening. Oh god. How do I resolve this? Do I just... I'm gonna quit. Let's see. Quit. Press F5. Okay, will do. Oh, Rob. I'm glad you found the caffeine that you need. I just got a book at the bookstore today by this author named Robert... No, who? Michael Pollan, who talks about caffeine, and I'm excited to read it. Wait, okay. Oh, there we go. We're in a happy place again. I felt the Rob point. I was like, something's missing. Stop it, Vex. Sorry for the dropped levels of stupidity. Okay, selection, copy, paste, success. That's like entering a new world. Let's change the foreground tiles. Wait, what did I just do? Oh my god. Rectangle. Snow. Excuse me, Jesus. You can double click a selection to favorite it in any menu. I didn't even know that was a thing. Let me try double clicking it. Wait, selection, entity. On the right in the list. You can just move the tiles you use to the top. Okay, wait, I think I understand what you're saying. Gotcha. Brick, great, perfect, lovely. Player special. This is great. I'm becoming a power, one might say I'm becoming a power user. The power, limitless power. Favorite texture sponsored by Flagpole. Is Flagpole still around? Oh, still working on maps? Allegedly. Okay, the intro of this room is boring. It needs to be better. I should probably start thinking about what other entity I want to introduce, because right now it's like 3 maps of the same 3 rooms of like kind of the same thing. Procrastination helper. The latest and most innovative bulwark against the threat of productivity. Great tool for procrastinating. This tool is really good for procrastinating. This is good. I will think about it. I will think about it while not mapping. But while thinking about mapping, I'll think about procrastinating and getting the helper. It's a lawn plugin, yeah. How should this room start? Hello. Hello, Nason's cat stare. These are dashes that give you 2 dash. Yeah, they give you your dashes back when you hit them. This is basically concussion simulator. As Carrie previously mentioned. Every room kind of starts with you jumping and then like dashing. Like these 2 rooms kind of start exactly the same. This one kind of starts exactly the same. Procrastinating. All right, I'm gonna have to get. I'll get this procrastinating. I will get this. I'll have it ready for next time. Nice quality shitpost. I gotta look at the entities. Has Communal Helper done anything lately? Hey, good night, Zully. I think I'm gonna go to sleep too, actually. This is good. I'm in a good starting spot. Am I gonna stream again? I'd like to, yeah. It would be nice to be able to do a Celeste map again. Even if it's like really basic and not that amazing. Just for fun. I don't want to spend too much time doing this because I would like to not forget about game dev, but can you dream booster through the dash box without hitting them? I do like the dream stuff. Wait, what's a dream booster? Jonathan. Yo, this is cool. Can the Dream Booster hit anything? Can it... Vex, you would love Jonathan Blow. I think you would actually love him. If you Dream Booster into a Dream Block, it kills you. Where's my entities? Placement? Oh, placement. Dream block. I get confused sometimes. Like, to me, like, when I think of selection, I think of, like, I'm selecting an entity to put onto the thing. But I will get used to that. And then selection. Okay, then we go to selection to... Incomprehensible 16 pixel icons? Exactly. But I can dash out of it, so I could like... I should make blocks that can only pass through these like special blocks. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm really tired. I'll keep exploring this on stream. Probably sometime this week. Oh wait, this song is so good. Zoli, it's been a pleasure. It's been great seeing everyone actually. This has been really fun. Thanks for hanging. I hope that we can do it again and talk more about Jonathan Blow. I want to see Jonathan Blow review the source code of Balatro. Oh, okay. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you all. The aneurysm, I know, that would be so good. Let's see. Oh, this song is so good. I'm gonna turn off my voice and then just turn this off in a minute here. Come back to do a bit of modding. Yeah, thanks, Nathan. Who knows? We'll see what happens. This may or may not be finished, but it's cool seeing the tools. They're so improved. It's amazing working with Lua to like add plugins and stuff. It's really cool. All right, goodbye everyone.